Hey, this is Mike again, and I'm reviewing today this book called 123 Alphaprints. So my son really likes this one. It's cool because right here you can feel the little bumps here. It's kind of like it looks like a fingerprint, and you can scratch it like this. My son likes to do that, so I'll show you what it looks like inside. So each page it goes by 123. So this one's one cool chameleon. My son destroyed the turtle page, so it's supposed to be a turtle. So it's two tiny turtles. So yours would have the turtle. And then you can see I like that it has the numbers here. So every time you turn a page, it'll go one, two, three, four, all the way to 10. So now it's three snails, and then you can also go over the colors with your child, the different fruits, the orange, the lime, and the lemon, three silly snails. You have here the four cute caterpillars, so you can go over that as well. And you can see that they're made of macaroons, so that's pretty cool. I didn't even notice that at first. I was like, what is that? You have the five little lambs with, I think it's cauliflower. Or yeah, I'm gonna say it's cauliflower. If I'm wrong, I apologize. Let's see. These are I'm skipping ahead, the eight baby bears made of donuts. So yeah, so they're usually like food or something else. In this case, it's the 10 busy bumblebees. They just look like bumblebees. So again, you can scratch this part. With the bears, you can feel their face here. So children like to mess with that. You can go over the numbers. So it has a lot of sections, different areas you can touch on, from the animals, the food, the touching, the numbers, the reading here. So it has a lot of different uses. So I like that. So, and I hope you enjoy the review.